Assalamualaikum and a very good day to Doctor. My name is Sofia Kistina binti Amir Zakri, matrix number 280781, and I'm going to explain the introduction and SWOT analysis. So, our group shows retail clothing and the name of our business is Stylist Closet Company. It was established on 1st January 2020 and it's a partnership business. We're only using online platform to run our business such as Shopee, Instagram and our own website. So we only have a warehouse which is located at 114 Jalan Cemerlang, Taman Perindustrian Sungai Petani, Kedah, Malaysia. This is our company's logo, and the logo has its own uniqueness and the specific details to present the business itself. From the logo, a woman's clothes are placed on the center of the logo to show that this business are related to women's clothing. Our tagline, which are Fashion, Women and Comfort, says that it's a fashion industry focusing on women for a comfort clothes. Furthermore, the color of the logo is a combination of nude and some black. Each color has its own meaning. Nude color based on the skin tone of Caucasians, mixing together a pale shade of brown and white. With the increasing recognition of diversity, the term nude has generally expanded to a broader range in beauty and fashion. Shade is elegant, practical, sophisticated, timeless, and modest. We choose some sort of dark color as the definition of power, elegance, and style to attract the customer as it symbolizes our own name of the company that is Stylist Closet. Our business sells varieties of blouse, shirts, and sweatshirt with a range price from 90 ringgit to 49 ringgit, and the target market is composed of women from 18 to 15 years old with a middle range income. So this is our supplier information, which is 7 Fashion Wholesale Sdn Berhad located in Kuala Lumpur.
Objective of Stylist Closet Company is for growing business because we want to gain more profit every year, expand market and increase stability. First objective is to ensure that all designs are produced at top quality and comfortable at an affordable price. Quality product can make customers trust our product and get many customers. Rich people or not can afford to own our product because of the reasonable price. Second, developing and maintaining a unique and professional image for group brand identity and in order to attract many customers. Third, to increase company profit by 10% and reduce costs by 5% every year. Fourth, to provide personal growth and development opportunities. Fifth, to gain 50 new customers every month. Lastly, develop leadership abilities and potential of the team. Stylist Closet Company values are quality, trust, passion for customers, innovation, and teamwork. First, we provide the best quality to customer. We believe it. If you are not satisfied or not happy with our product, we will give you a full refund. We always try our best to find a premium values of our product. We want to make sure our customer wear comfortable clothes. This can make customer want to buy again or repeat order of our product. Second, we want to offer trust to all customers. We will keep our promise and show you many feedback of our product. We do something consistently, such as promote every day on social media like Instagram or WhatsApp, so that easy to build customer trust. Besides, we deliver the same quality product to customer every time to maintain trust. Third, we show love, give a great service to customers, and build positive relationship with them. Answer the customer question on Instagram or WhatsApp faster, and be friendly with them. This way, customer will be eager to buy our product. Lastly, the important thing is teamwork. Cooperate within organization to create a good culture. We work together across boundaries to meet the needs of customers and to help the company win.
I would like to explain about purpose of the business. First, offer designer apparel with an affordable price. Stylish closet company are able to lower the cost of the apparel and provide fashionable products at a fraction of the going price. In our online store, our costs are lower by saving on rent, electricity, payroll, features, shrinkage loss all contribute to gross margin and overhead of doing business in a shopping center. The second one is introduce to the public to the latest fashion or trend. Stylish closet company are able to introduce the latest fashion because the latest fashion change regularly. Basically, people are getting a lot of help from the fashion trends and experts say that people will be more and more fashion aware in time. No one is really able to tell us what the fashion trends are at any given moment because different designers have different opinion about what people should wear. So our brand will be the earliest brand to introduce the latest fashion to the public. The third purpose is ensure that designs are produced at top quality. Stylish closet company are able to select the material to be used for the fabrication of each piece, hiring reliable sewer for our tagging and visiting the workers on a daily basis to check up on things. So that by doing this will save the company a lot of trouble in the long run because one bad order can affect the company's image. Next is management team. Building team demands matching job to people's strength. That means giving people responsibilities according to their skill, not based on how close a friend they are or how closely related they are to you. As for our company, Chief Executive Officer is Nur Nabila Natasha, who responsible for making decisions. She determines the company's strategy, predict the future and control the budget. Next, Chief Operating Officer Nur Ariana Najwa, who handle a company complex operational details. She will ensure the business can deliver all the order day after day. The third one is Chief Financial Officer Sarah Izzati, who handle money and create budget and finance strategy. She will control system that monitor our company's financial health. Next, Chief Marketing Officer Sofia Kistina. Many current business are battles of marketing, so Chief Marketing Officer will manage the marketing strategy, includes sales strategy. And the last one is Chief Technology Officer Rosalina, who keep up with technology trends, integrate those trends into company strategy and make sure the company keep current when it's necessary. Next is vision and mission. Stylish closet company visions is we strive to be a caring and well-managed organization for our business partners, customers and employees, and a responsible corporate citizen to our society. And for the mission, to make a difference through our branding to stay ahead of fashion trends, market changes and the latest technology.
Next, market segmentation. Market segmentation is the process of dividing consumer into different categories based on distinguishing characteristics. There are three types of market segmentation, which is demographic, behavior, and psychographic that we use in stylish closet. So it makes us easier to focus marketing effort and achieve business goal. Furthermore, it also helps us to get know our customer, identify what is needed in our market segment, and determine the best needs with our product or service. This helps us to design the better marketing strategies from top to bottom. Segmentation is one of the most common forms. This segment includes things like age, sex, occupation, family size, income, nationality, and religion. So for stylish closet, we just only focus for a woman to buy our product. The range age teenagers are between 18 to 15 years old. So we target teenagers, girls with their trending new fashion lines according fashion like blouse, sweatshirt, and dress. And based on ethnicity, most of Malay teenagers purchase our blouse. Next, behavior segmentation. Behavior segmentation divides consumer according to behavior patterns as they interact with a business. The objective of behavior marketing is to understand how to address the particular needs and desire of customer group. There are some types of behavior such as online shopping habit, loyalty and benefit search. We can find that teenagers today like to shop online, like Shopee, so that stylist closet use online platform to promote our product and they can buy through online. This can make more profit into our business. The last one is psychographic segmentation. Psychographic segmentation is similar to demographic segmentation, but it deals with characteristics that are more mental and emotional. These attributes can give us valuable insight into our audience motive, preference and needs. Some examples of psychographic characteristics include personality traits, interests, beliefs, values, attitude and lifestyle. In stylist closet, his segmentation can be found in lifestyle. For example, we will produce and sell blouses that's suitable for teenagers to meet their lifestyle needs, and our company expects people who are passionate about trending design of blouse, want a reasonable price and also want a unique style. Next, market needs. Based on the consumer analysis, stylist closet identify that the consumer target needs are clothes that comfort and easy care, clothes with a nutrient or fashion, clothes that are not tight, and the last one is clothes with a plus size. As we know nowadays, teenagers need a blouse that easy to wear and want to avoid wrinkles on their clothes. This is because easy for them if they wake up late to going class or outing. They don't need to iron the clothes. They also need blouse according to the latest trend and beautiful fashion. So we believe that our company can fulfill their needed and make them satisfied with our clothes. We will always upgrade our blouse according to new trend to make our business successful.
My name is Sawa Izzati binti Swati, 280491. Strategy and Implementation Summary. The ultimate goal of a marketing strategy is to achieve and communicate a sustainable competitive advantage over rival companies by understanding the needs and wants of its consumer. A marketing strategy helps a company direct its advertising to where it will have the most impact. Marketing strategy that our company apply for our business to increase the sale is 4P. The 4P is a marketing concept that summarizes the 4 basic pillars of any marketing strategy. The 4P of marketing are product, price, place and promotion. The first P of marketing strategy is product. Product refers to a good or service that a company offers to customer. In stylist closet company, the main clothes that our company offer is t-shirt, blouse and sweatshirt. We always concern the quality of every clothes that we produce. Our company emphasizes aspect in terms of customer taste to ensure we fulfill their demand. We also focus on product visual. Visual are important for all brands. Second P is price. Price is the cost consumer pay for a product. In stylist closet company, we take several factors such as the capital spent for each closet in determine the price in order to achieve our company goal and not suffer loss. We also need to determine when and if discount is appropriate. A discount can sometimes draw in more customers, but it can also give the impression that the product is less exclusive or less of a luxury compared to when it was priced higher. However, our company offers affordable price to ensure that all people are able to buy clothes from our store. Thirdly is place. When a company make decision regarding place, they are trying to determine where they should sell a product and how to deliver the product to the market. In some case, placement may refer to the act of including a product on television show, film or a web page in order to gain attention for the product. Since shopping habits have changed and consumers are increasingly prefer to shop online rather than visit a physical location, our company's stylist closet just decide to place our product on website, Shopee and social media platform. Lastly, our marketing strategy is promotion. Promotion includes advertising, public relation and promotional strategy. The role of promoting is a product is to reveal to customer why they need it and why they should pay a certain price for it. For our company Stylist Closet, we join the social work to keep up with customer demand. Each of the primary social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, we constantly involve. So our company also decide to attach an influencer to our brand as marketing strategy. When an influencer posts, others follow. For example, one of the best way to promote our clothing line is to get an influencer to tweet or post picture of them wearing some of our clothes. At the end of the day, many people also will be interested.
SWOT analysis is a technique for assessing strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats aspect of the business. It may help SEC in avoiding unpleasant situations, putting resources into improving the business, avoiding external threats such as competitors. SEC strengths and weaknesses are internal elements. Strengths are positive elements that help SEC to achieve its goals and objectives. It have to be enhanced and maintained. Weaknesses are harmful elements that somehow block the business from within to reach its goal, while opportunities are external factors over which SEC doesn't have control but has to prioritize them, invest in them, and capture them. Threats are also external factors but negative ones. SEC has to manage to avoid them or to mitigate them. So the first strength is our business purchase by bulk. SEC procures product supplies from suppliers in bulk. This allows SEC to obtain low cost for the purchase of raw materials and high profits. With the low cost of raw materials, SEC can sell its product at an affordable price. The second one is minimize both time and cost. As our business only operates through an online platform, our customers and us could save a lot of time and money. Like before this, customer would have to go to stores or boutique to buy their clothes. By purchasing with us, they could save the money for fuel, tolls, and parkings. Other than that, SEC are able to save on expenses as SEC only has a warehouse to store stock and post parcels to customers. The cost of renting a warehouse is cheaper as compared to renting a boutique or office. The last strength is that our business have a variety of collections. As we know that clothes are routinely worn daily and are generally identical. As a result, we like to provide customers with a variety of clothes such as blouses, shirts, and sweatshirts. Users will be able to choose from a variety of collections and designs. SEC will be able to attract more customers and address the needs of clients with a diverse range of tastes in this manner. Next, for the weaknesses, since we are a new clothing company, we don't have the financial capacity to compete with multi-billion-dollar fashion labels in terms of market control. Nevertheless, we believe that to compete at a high level requires constant effort. The second one is lack of interaction. For offline shopping, the sales assistant gives personal attention to the customer and provides complete details about the product. Since SEC is an online apparel business, this is not the case for it. Even though customers contact sales assistant, the interaction is not as satisfying as interacting face-to-face. All the customer can do is look at the picture and read the description given by the sales assistant. And the last weakness is, as our business was started when the world was hit by the COVID-19 pandemic, SEC did not provide cash-on-delivery services to customers due to health and safety factors. This becomes a problem for customers who live close to warehouse where they have to incur shipping costs. Next, for the external factors, which is opportunities. The first one is e-commerce. SEC will definitely take advantage of the use of social media in online shopping as it's a new trend today. SEC can increase its revenue by selling its product online such as Shopee, Lazada, Instagram, or our own website. The second one is customers' need. One thing is certain, whether good or bad, people will always look for clothes to wear. As for that, the opportunity for clothing line sell their clothes is massive, and we hope to leverage on these opportunities. The third one is delivery service. Nowadays, the use of couriers in the delivery of parcels to customers is widely used, especially in the field of online business. Therefore, SEC also use courier services to deliver parcels to customers such as J&T and Ninja Van. Next, for the threats, the first one is economic downturn. One of the major threats that we are likely going to face is an economic downturn. It's a fact that economic downturn affects purchasing power. When the consumer's purchasing power decreases, there will inevitably possibly be a decrease in sales revenue and indirectly cause decreased profits and possibly leads to loss. The second one is delayed delivery by courier. For offline shopping, the customer will receive the product then and there, but this is not the case in SEC where they apply online shopping. While it takes a short time to buy a product online, it still takes quite a while to get into the hands of the buyer. This is because the method of posting is a courier duty outside the jurisdiction of the SEC. If the courier has many parcels to send, then it will be delayed in delivery. And the last threat is intense competition. We also have to compete with other business because there are already businesses that sell products that are similar to our business, such as buy and sell collection on Instagram and succulent fashion on Shopee. Therefore, we need to develop creative strategies to attract customers to buy our products.
CVP analysis is compulsory or mandatory to be practiced in a company because it has many advantages. Stylish closet company also use CVP analysis because it is very helpful to our company. CVP analysis can be useful for manager making short-term business decisions because it is based on statistical model. Decision can be broken down into probabilities. It also helps to determine the sale volume at which profit goal of our company will be achieved in order to avoid loss. Break-even analysis of stylish closet company. Stylish closet company has 3 products, which are t-shirt, blouse, and sweatshirt. Monthly fixed cost is 8,250 ringgit. Variable cost per unit is 19 ringgit 50 cents for t-shirt, 21 ringgit 50 cents for blouse, and 22 ringgit 50 cents for sweatshirt. We calculate package contribution margin with the unit contribution margin multiplied by the sale mix of each product. To find unit contribution margin, selling price minus unit variable cost of each product. The 6 t-shirt in the package yield 57 ringgit in contribution margin. The 5 blouse in the package yield 87 ringgit 50 cents in contribution margin. The 7 sweatshirt in the package yield 185 ringgit 50 cents in contribution margin. So the conclusion, a package of 18 clothes has a total contribution margin of 330 ringgit. Break-even package of stylish closet company is 25 package. Break-even unit for t-shirt is 150 units, blouse 125 units, and sweatshirts 175 units. Break-even sale are 4,350 ringgit for t-shirt, 4,875 ringgit for blouse, and 8,575 ringgit for sweatshirt. Thus, we should sell minimum 450 units of product to gain sale 17,800. If we sell less than 450 units, we have to bear the loss. Next, we go to the income statement. First income statement shows the break-even solution, which is stylish closet company is not making a profit. Second income statement shows the expected sale that our company plan to sell for a profit of 14,050 ringgit. Expected units sold is 1,200 units, which are 400 units for t-shirt, 300 units for blouse, and 500 units for sweatshirt. Contribution margin of our company is 22,300. Lastly, in break-even analysis, we calculate margin of safety. First, margin of safety in ringgit. We calculate with the total expected sale minus the total break-even sale. So, margin of safety in ringgit of our company is 30,000 ringgit. Margin of safety in percentage we calculate with margin of safety in ringgit divided by total expected sale. So we got 62.76%.
So this is the projected profit or loss for Stylist Gazette Company with the sales revenue 47,800 divided by cost of goods sold 5,700 to get the gross profit 42,100. Then we sum out variable expenses 19,800 with fixed expenses 8,250 to get the operating expenses 28,050. Then to calculate the net operating income, we take the gross profit divide by total operating expenses, then we get 14,050. That's all from me. Thank you.
Projected cash flow. As for October, we already sold around 50 unit t-shirt, 40 unit blouse and 18 unit sweatshirt. This made our total cash receipt 12,230. After that, we need to cover all our expenses as been shown. This made our net cash flow gain around 345 ringgit. For November, our ending cash balance is 2,027 ringgit. We sold 80 unit of t-shirt, 50 unit for blouse and for sweatshirt. We sold 120 unit and this made our total cash receipt 15,100. We also need to pay the fees and variable costs as the total cash disbursement for November is 13,585 ringgit. After all, the transaction we got for the ending cash balance is around 2,027 ringgit. In December, we increased the sale of t-shirt around 100 unit, blouse 70 unit and 150 unit for sweatshirt. Furthermore, this boosts our total sales for December around 12,918 ringgit. The capital for December is the same as November, around 4,915 ringgit. The total cash disbursement is around 15,018 ringgit, more than last 2 months. This requires the ending cash balance for December is 4,877 ringgit.
Okay, next is part balance sheet. Okay, first of all, why we provide balance sheet in our business plan? Because balance sheet is an essential tool used by executive, investors, analysts, and regulators to understand the current financial health of our business. So, as for our balance sheet, start with asset. For our current asset, we have cash, account receivable, inventory, and other current assets such as advances to employee and prepaid expenses. Okay, next is non-current asset. We have long-term asset and accumulated depreciation, and total for our asset is 71,250. And the next part is liabilities and equity. For liabilities, we only have account payable, which is referred to our supplier, and zero for current borrowing due to no borrowing were made in the current. And we only have long-term borrowing from bank to grow up our business. And the last part is equity. We have paid in capital and retained earning, and total for our liabilities and equity is 71,250 balance with total asset.
Last one is business ratio, and we calculate the 5 business ratio for our company. The first one is net profit margin, which is net profit 14,050 divided by 47,800 times by 100%. So we got 29.39%. Means that our company can cover the business expenses and the fixed cost as well. Next is return on equity. The formula is net profit 14,050 divided by shareholder equity 26,050, and the answer is 0.54. Means that every 1 ringgit of common stock shareholder equity, we can earn profit 0.54 in this year. Next is variable cost ratio, which is variable cost divided by total sales times by 100%. The calculation is 19,800 divided by 47,800 times by 100%. So the answer is 41.42%, means that every 1 ringgit of revenue we spend 41.42 thousand in our variable cost. And the next one is asset turnover ratio, which is the sale 47,800 divided by total asset 71,250, and we got 0.67, means that our company can use the asset in generate the sales revenue efficiency. And the last one is return on asset. The formula is net profit 14,050 divided by total asset 71,250, and the answer is 0.20, means that every 1 ringgit of asset the company invests, we can earn 0.20 in this year. So I think that's all from our group. Thank you.